What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm just going to make a little progress update on the E36. As you can see, I actually just finished painting the car orange. It was black before. So this is crushed orange. It's made by Chrysler. It's the same color as the new Jeep Wranglers and Dodge Rams. I was a little unsure if I want to do the car orange at first, but I think it was a really good color choice. I wanted something that stands out and pops, and in the sun, this color looks awesome. So not only is it kind of an odd color, it's also LS Swap 2, which I feel like is kind of a one-of-a-kind. Other than painting the car orange, I actually just finished putting the motor back in it too. I put a Brian Tooley Racing Stage 2 cam in it, upgraded valve springs, new seals and gaskets, so there's no more leaks on the motor. At this point, it does need to get tuned, so the car does run, has a really choppy idle, but it needs to be tuned. Whenever you put an upgraded cam in LS's, you have to have them retuned, so I contacted a local tuner. When I get the car all back together, I'm going to drop it off and have them tune it. I'll give you a startup clip in a little while so you can hear what it sounds like. I'm not too sure if I ever filmed this. The interior is dirty right now, but I actually did a full black interior swap, so it's no longer tan. Black carpet, black dash, everything's black now. I think it looks really good. So I actually gutted out the back half of the interior, eliminated all the sound deadening. And honestly, I removed a lot of weight. There was an evap canister for the fuel tank back here that weighed like 20 pounds. Got rid of that too. So I'll give you a little walk around of it. I think it looks really good. I also ended up putting a 391 rear differential in it. When I got the car, it had a 291 or a 293 in it, which was really long. I could go probably 80 miles an hour in second. I've heard the gearing that comes factory with the T56 is a 391, so that's probably why it woke the car right up, just because the gearing was way too long before. So today I'm gonna finish putting it back together. I gotta get all these panels back on, but I want to film a little progress video because I've done a lot of work to the car. So basically the interior, the cam, I ended up putting another transmission in it too. If you remember one of the first videos I posted when I got this car, the guy who sold it to me told me that it needed a new axle, ended up needing a transmission, and he knew that. So I pulled the trans back out and I rebuilt it for cheap money. It's been fine for the last year, but I would say over the last month or so, second gear's been acting up again. I think I'm just starting to round off the teeth of the gear. So I figured instead of pulling this trans back out, rebuilding it for a second time, I ended up picking up another T56 transmission, and I'll just sell mine needing a rebuild. So I figured that was the easiest option. Just wanted to make an update video, show you guys the progress on it. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop it down in the comment section below. YouTube doesn't really recommend my videos to anybody, so I'm not really motivated to film any videos like this. But if it's what you guys want to see, let me know, and I'll actually put the effort in and film. So if you guys like this video, if you can do me a big favor, just go down and press the like button. If you have any questions about anything I did or any questions about LS Swap in your E36, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll answer it. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, let me know, and thanks for watching.